guys, welcome back to my channel. So to start off, I'm going to be using my eNail Couture nail tips, and these are in long sculpted square, and I'm just going to be taking my customers' requested sizes. This nail set is a custom request. She asked for some milky white nails with red rhinestones, and I think that they came out so beautiful. So to start off, I'm going to be using my D&D base gel, and you want to apply a thin layer over all the nails. So like I said, my customer did ask me for a milky white set, and the best milky white color in my opinion to me is this winter white color by iGel Beauty. I love it so much. It's like a perfect milky, like kind of clouded white. So I used this color and I applied it over all the nails. So once that is taken out of the lamp, you do want to go ahead and go in with a second coat over all the nails. So here's the bling I'm going to be using for this set. It's this case of red rhinestones. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love red rhinestones. Like, they're just so beautiful. Like, words can't explain how excited I was to create this set. And then I also had this case of rhinestones as well. You could purchase these cases off Amazon. I believe that's where I purchased mine off of. And whenever I would just buy like red rhinestones, I would just put them in here. So yeah, so I also went in with some of these little round rhinestones, and yeah, look how beautiful these are, you guys. And of course, I went in with my Zulay's Bling adhesive. In a couple of my videos, I've gotten comments about some of you guys saying that you guys have issues with the Zulay's Bling adhesive. I've actually had issues with it before as well when I first started using it. The main issue that I had with it was it used to turn like white around the rhinestones. And actually for a while, I never bought it again. After that bottle ran out, I never bought it again because I just hated that. I couldn't get past that. I didn't know how to fix that. But like, I want to say maybe like 3 months later, I ended up ordering another bottle because I just kept seeing like nail techs using that glue, and I was like, it works for them. Why wasn't it working for me? So I ordered it again, and I'm actually really glad I did, because I think the issue that I had before was the bottle. Like, it just was bad or something. Like, the product in it wasn't good. But that second time around when I received it, it just worked really good for some reason. Like, and now I've never had an issue like that before. So maybe you guys have gotten bad batches. I don't know. Like, because now, like, I know I've gotten some comments also that say that it dries too quick for you. I think that could also be like the temperature in your room, because Zulay does say that if it's hot, the glue dries faster, and if it's cold, the glue stays like tacky for a little bit longer. So maybe if your like air conditioner's on, or you put it in the refrigerator, it'll work out for you. Although I've tried that and it didn't work out for me. So I don't know. I think it just depends maybe on like what batch you get, possibly. But anyways, past the Zulay's glue discussion, I'm just going ahead and applying these rhinestones where I think they would look nice at. And I really love the red with the white. I just think it looks so nice, so pretty, so like elegant kind of. And I know that's kind of weird for some people to hear because they don't associate elegance with like long nails, but I love it. I think it's elegant. I think it's so beautiful. And yeah, look at that. And I'm going to be applying rhinestones to all the nails. Now here I'm going in with my top coat. This is from Nail Couture, and fun fact, maybe around a year ago, this was like my absolute favorite top coat. It just started getting too expensive to get. Like, I use it sometimes now, but there's other brands out there that have really good top coats, just as good as this one. So yeah, I started using like other brands, and yeah, but this one's still like, honestly you guys, one of my favorite top coats. The shine on it is unreal, and it's really like durable. So when I wear my nails, sometimes like for a month they're still shiny, like, and it's because of this top coat. So yeah, I'm just going over, or I'm sorry, not over, around all the rhinestones. Try not to get the gel on your rhinestones because it does dull out the shine. after you file the tops of your nails. This is the finished result, you guys. I hope you love this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys recreate this set, please send it to me. Send me pictures on Instagram. I really want to see them. But yeah, I hope you guys really like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.